welcome back to episode 2 of All Things Unboxed. Today, well, this evening I'm going to be unboxing a body tape measure. I picked this up off Amazon and one of the deals, again on a bargain. I'll be using this quite often to measure my kids' head circumferences and other things. So with that said, let's get to it. It's a Renpho smart body tape measure. Don't play with knives, they're dangerous. Look what we have in the box. So we have the product itself. If you have a look at, you get a battery. You get the instruction manual. Seems like you have to download the app. At the moment I'm using my phone to record, so I won't be downloading the app right now. There we are. Look at that. What we'll do is we'll just review the product, we'll have a look at it itself. Trying to fit a battery. It's pretty small, pretty sleek. Let's see where we fit the battery. We don't have to take it apart. Now what we do is just twist it and the battery end will just pop out. Don't really have to tell you how to install a battery, do I? It takes batteries, it takes the CR2 2032 batteries. Put it back in, twist it. So there we are, we're on. See, it's pretty accurate, 19.5. Goes back up once we go in, so 15.2, pretty rather accurate. Overall, small, sleek design. By the looks of that bit at the bottom, you can stick that in there. You get yourself a steady reading without it pulling in. Basically like a tape measure. Pretty easy to pull out, back out. It's basically like tape measure. So, open. So overall design, pretty small, pretty sleek. Quite tough. Seems to be very durable. Again, yes. It's a little Bluetooth thing flashing up in the corner there, so you can connect to it via Bluetooth. On. Straight on. Measuring straight away. Turns it off. Just press and hold. Turn it on. Must be the mode. And that's in inches, centimetres into inches. So yes, it goes to centimetres and inches. Yeah, it's a pretty sleek design, I like it. That's the Renpho body tape measure. smart tape measure, must I admit. Very tidy, very sleek. And it's just info on the back really. Overall feel, if I had to give a rating out of 5 for how it felt in its toughness and sturdy, I'd give it a good 4.5. Give it a mark out of 5 of ease of usage. It seems very easy to use really. Takes some explaining on a tape measure. Give that a 5, easy to use. Yeah. Again, first impressions out the box, I'd give it a 5. So overall I'd say it's a nice 4.5 stars. This is part 1 for this video. Part 2 I will come back and show you how we set the app up after I've had a good play with it and a look. Thanks for watching. Please, in the comments, I'll give you a link to this at the comments below where you can find this product. Please like, subscribe, comment, it'll help this channel grow. Again, if you like this product, I'll leave a link in the description where you can have a look for yourself. And if you enjoy these review videos, come back for more. Thank you.